Have you ever heard those horror story wherein you're buying a property just to discover that the title is not clean, which means the property couldn't be transferred under your name? So, if you're planning to own a property here in the Philippines, it's important to check if the title is clean. How? First and foremost, ensure that all the owners listed in the title should be alive and available to sign the documents. For married couples, it is important that both spouses should sign the documents even though only one person is listed on the title. For cases wherein the owners are already deceased, the heir should pay all the estate tax. Second, speaking of taxes, it is important that all tax should be paid. This includes the annual real estate tax and estate tax for cases that the owners is already deceased. If they fail to pay the taxes, the title couldn't be transferred to the new owner unless they fully settled all the taxes, including the late charges. So, ask for an updated real estate tax clearance. Finally, it's important to ensure that the property doesn't have any dispute. So ask for an updated certified true copy from the Registry of Deeds because original title doesn't list down all of the dispute. Remember, validate ownership, check if all taxes are paid, and look out for any disputes so that you will have a peace of mind during your home buying journey. Thank you for joining me in today's episode, and I will see you soon on my next real estate tips. Bye!